Okay, we're out here in the shop and with one of my favorite things here. This is Pollywog. Polly's a 1949 Power Wagon, and Polly's been sitting here for, this building was built in 20, so that's 3 years, and I think it spent about 7 or 8 years in the barn before that. And so on this edition of Will It Start, we've had to pull the battery out and run down to our favorite auto parts store and put a new battery in her. This truck is a positive ground 6-volt truck, and it's original. Yeah, some of it's a little rough, but this truck is original. So we just put a little bit of fuel in it. I know the old fuel in there is varnished and a mess, and we'll deal with that in a bit. The dog is here checking out mice because he knows there's mice in the truck, and I get it. We're gonna put a little bit of gas in the carburetor and crank her over and see if we can get Pollywog to start here. Find a place to put the camera down. Okay, I think that's on the truck. So, let's give a little fuel top off here in the car. Turn signal's on. Dog. It's driving me crazy. Dog. In and out. I don't need it.
Here, Hemi. Hemi.
busy in there. This bracket was put on there 25 years ago to hold a snowplow. And interesting story about this truck. I lived in a new subdivision, and we brought the truck home, and we had a lot of people complain because we had this truck in the subdivision. And we had a lot of grief over it. And then one year the snow came, dropped a couple feet on us in a 24-hour period, and all the plates of cookies and hot cocoa showed up the door, people wanting to be plowed out so they could go to work or get out and do what they do. And so old Pollywog here got famous during that snowstorm, and kind of became a beloved truck in the neighborhood after that.